Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. I wanted to hop on here. I know it's been a little bit of a while since I've really sat down and talked with you guys about, just face-to-face talk. I usually talk about some big, huge topic or different ways to make money. But today I wanted to chat about the current state of rideshare on YouTube. It is almost the end of the year, so I thought it would be fitting just to sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and talk with you guys, because I know you guys really like when I just sit back and relax and talk with you guys and I'm not super animated. You guys know I can get really animated about things, but for this time, I am outside, so there are some planes flying above me, some helicopters, and I hope that doesn't mess out with the audio. But with that being said, I wanted to just talk about my thoughts on Uber and Lyft videos on YouTube. And basically it's been just 1 year since I started posting, since I joined the Rideshare YouTube community on YouTube. So I am like relatively new, but I still do have 1 year of experience under my belt, which I wanted to chat with you guys about. So if you guys didn't know, I started posting almost 1.5 years ago, but then I only made a couple videos there about like random ways to make money. Had nothing to do with Uber or Lyft, or a couple of my videos were Lyft. And then about 1 year ago, I started posting daily about Lyft and Uber, going over my experience as a driver, and you guys really liked it. So I honestly probably wouldn't have even started driving for Uber and Lyft again if I didn't have this channel. So regardless, I just wanted to share my thoughts. First of all, my first thing I wanted to say is that the Rideshare YouTube community, well, basically, okay, before I get into my main thoughts, I just wanted to make this video for my friends. These are my friends, drivers, maybe a new driver. I wanted to just tell them what they should expect about rideshare on the internet, and who I would recommend. If I had a buddy and he said, hey Dylan, I'm thinking about doing Uber and Lyft, what should I know? And this is probably what I would tell them. Or if they said, oh, what should I know? Should I look it up on YouTube? This is what I would tell them, okay? Number one, first of all, the Rideshare YouTube community is very small, like tiny, not even 1%, way less than maybe 0.00001% of content on YouTube, right? Super small, right? If you think about all the different genres on YouTube, rideshare is at the very, very bottom. Rideshare is a tiny little community. So for the outside world, nobody cares about rideshare YouTubers, right? Zero people care about maybe a couple, just drivers, right? But like normal everyday people, they don't care. However, people who are YouTuber, or people who do watch rideshare YouTubers videos who are drivers, pretty much think that the rideshare YouTube community is everything. So it's this weird situation where like it's so small, but the people inside of it, that's the only thing they can see. I myself, I'll just say flat out, I'm personally not subscribed to any rideshare YouTube channels. None. Zero. I don't watch rideshare YouTube videos for entertainment, or for information. I watch tons of other people, like comedy channels and stuff, or vloggers, or like, random stuff. I don't watch rideshare YouTubers. So I just wanted to say that. Secondly, or with that being said, my channel has 25,000 subscribers, which for YouTubers is nothing. It's hardly anything. 25,000 subscribers is literally nothing. If you look at gamers, beauty bloggers, travel vloggers, who else? Fitness people, comedy, pranksters, millions and millions and millions of subscribers. So that being said, my channel with 25,000 subscribers, there's people out there who think I'm buying subscribers. People in the rideshare YouTube community, because they think it's crazy that somebody can gain 25,000 subscribers, because that's the only thing they're looking at is this small picture of rideshare YouTubers. So when they think, oh my gosh, in a year, he just started a year ago and he already has 25,000 subscribers, he must be buying subscribers, he must be buying views, which I know it's actually pretty funny, but a lot of people think I buy subscribers. And no, I definitely do not buy any subscribers. I wouldn't do that. But like, you can just see that people are very small-minded, because in the grand scheme of things, 25,000 subscribers is hardly nothing. I just know a couple of things about marketing, you know, thumbnails, titles, and I also upload a lot. I've said it from the get-go, my channel, so I will just say these are the channels I do recommend for new drivers. For new drivers and experienced drivers, I definitely recommend my own channel, the Rideshare Hub. Why? Because I post on there. I'm the entrepreneur, you know, just drive Uber and Lyft on the side for extra income. Uber and Lyft got me out of debt. I paid off my credit card debt and my car loan just driving for Uber and Lyft. And from, you know, from YouTube and stuff. So, and then we also have Jacob Letman, who posts on this channel. He is a actor, drives Lyft pretty much, I wouldn't say full-time, but like part-time, full-time, like, you know, 20, 30 hours a week, almost every week. You have Greg Wave. He is essentially a full-time driver, but he also just drives part-time because he's figured out, you know, other ways to make money as well. So I would say like part-time. And then on top of us, there's tons of people, probably 20 to 30 other people who post on this channel sharing their experience. We have a guy in New York City, Moise. He's posting on this channel once a week. Chris from Rideshare Stories, he used to post once a week. I need to get him back on. But tons of different people sharing their perspective, and we are all drivers. And we don't talk about anything negative, drama. You know, we do talk about issues. But there goes on my next point. There's a lot of rideshare YouTube channels who I would never recommend to my friends or family, because they don't focus on, you know, ways to make money, ways to increase money as a driver, how to be a better driver. They just talk about, I mean, that's what I talk about. That's all I talk about, right? Mostly. And news stuff going on, like techie news, like Tesla, rideshare, Uber updates in the app, all that stuff, updates. But a lot of drivers, they just talk negative about people. They bash people down. They claim, there's a lot of people that claim that I buy subscribers, that I'm not a real driver, that people literally have made videos saying that I didn't buy a Tesla, because I bought a Tesla and then I got rid of it, and they're saying, oh, he faked the whole thing. Oh, he's not a real driver. Oh, blah, blah, blah. He's buying subscribers. You'd want to stay away from people like that, because they don't really care about drivers, you know, they just care about drama. They just want attention. Like I said, I don't have anything against them. Well, I guess I do, but I mean, I don't dislike them as people. I'm just saying, like, I wouldn't personally recommend one of my buddies who's like, hey, I want to learn how to be a better driver. I wouldn't recommend them to follow those accounts. I would recommend them to follow my account. Uberman, he doesn't really post rideshare videos anymore, but he's still, you can go watch his old videos. Munch Kim, if you remember her. Mark Fracaro, his old videos are good. The Rideshare Guy, Harry Campbell, he doesn't really post too much himself anymore. He just has, you know, guest creators, post a lot, but he still does live streams once a month. But you can still go back and watch his old videos. The Simple Driver, great video, great channel. And then you have other channels like, I'll just say Dustin is driving. I'll just, you know, I have nothing against him. He's great. I actually owe a lot to him. He helped me out a lot with my channel. When I was first starting out, we did a collab together. Or I think I just had him on my channel a few times. He was always down, and I'm like, dang, I really like that about him. And he has a super like charismatic personality, which, like, you know, these just some people that it's not just him, but there's other people, like my friend's dad, for instance. When you talk to him, you just want to listen to whatever they have to say. You can't really explain what it is about them, but you just like to hear what they have to say. Dustin has that type of personality. People want to hear what he has to say. You know, whether it's good or bad, you just listen, right? There's no explanation about it. You know, I'm pretty sure he can't even explain why he's so good at talking, but he is, you know? He can sit behind the camera and talk for a long, long time, and people will listen to him. I personally don't listen to him too much, just because, like I said, I don't subscribe to Rideshare YouTube channels myself, you know? I already pretty much figured out everything I need to know. You know, I'll dabble, check out here and there, but you know, in terms of daily videos, no, I don't watch any Rideshare YouTube channels daily. Oh yeah, but I did want to say with Dustin is that his channel now is he's like posting other people's videos, doing commentary, reaction videos. Nothing against that. That's cool. That's fun. It's entertaining. But in terms of providing, I mean, that is like a good perspective to look at, to watch, you know, these crazy videos of people getting attacked in Uber rides. Like, yeah, you know, you should see those, you know, just because that's the reality. But so I don't want to throw shade at Dust. I'm not throwing any shade. I'm just saying, like, okay, if you're watching this, Dustin, like, never mind. Okay, I'll just move on from that. I just want to say like what I think of him. I do owe a lot to him, and I think some of his older videos were less about like crazy videos, but I mean those videos get tons and tons and tons of views, and he still does skits, which I think he should do more of because those are good. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on the internet right now. Those, like I said, Rideshare Professor, great guy. I owe a lot to him as well. He inspired me so much to make videos, and his whole marketing approach, which I kind of adopted. I mean, I've kind of stole the Rideshare Guy's approach. Well, not really, but there was another YouTube channel called O2L. I don't know if you guys definitely don't know about them, but because you guys are probably way older. But O2L is basically like MagCon group. It's like meet and greet conventions, like Cameron Dallas. You guys definitely don't know any of these guys, but like they're all from my hometown, and they basically go around and do these meet and greet conventions, and they have tons of fans. And well, they used to. This is a long time ago, and they're all my age basically now, but back when they were like 16, 17, they would go on these tours, I guess, and just like do meet and greet conventions and like just hang out with their fans, and like thousands and thousands of fans would come. But they had one channel which they had, I think it was like 5 or 6 people on the channel, but each of them would post one video per week, and it was like a group channel, and I thought that was so cool. So that's how my inspiration for this channel came. And then I also saw Harry Campbell was kind of making it work too, so I was like, I kind of combined the two, I guess. So like these guys, I mean, Mark Ficaro especially, like he inspired me a lot to make this into a, you know, a business, YouTube, even though they hardly pay anything anymore, which is a whole nother topic. But yeah, basically that's what I think about the current state of rideshare and YouTube. I think rideshare is great. Like, I think channels are, you know, you should go and find out your own channel, see what you like. Maybe you do like the drama, you know. Oh, I did want to say about the whole hate comments thing. There's been a growing number of hate comments on my videos because some rideshare YouTubers have made I feel crazy even talking about like this YouTube drama stuff, but like there's been a few people, I'm not gonna name any names, who have made hate videos on me. Like, oh yeah, I already told you guys, right? Which is pretty funny, honestly. But you know, I send them to my friends and we all laugh at them. You know, it's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this person's spending their life making hate videos against you, and they're all mostly false information about me. For the most part, they're all false stuff. People just make up, and then none of it's true. But people believe it's true because, like I said, this small little thing on YouTube, people think that's all they care about. So these guys with like, you know, a couple thousand, 3,000-4,000, even only what, less than 15,000 subscribers, they're like, oh my gosh, these are like my idols, because these guys are like whatever. But anyways, so there's a lot of hate comments on my videos now because these older guys, you know, most of them are like older, out of shape, they're living paycheck to paycheck. You know, I don't want to like, I mean, it's not a bad thing, but I mean, this is the type of people that they attract. And so like this is like their bread and butter, you know, this is what they live for. They're making these hate videos, I guess. And there's a lot of them. But I'm just being real with you guys. Sorry if I just, you know, triggered anybody. But then their audience leaves hate comments on my videos. And I just want to say, like, if you're on YouTube leaving hate comments, you've already lost. you've already lost the game. If you think LeBron James is spending his free time on YouTube leaving hate comments, you think he's recording himself talking crap about, I don't know, Steph Curry, about how Steph Curry is using steroids, or I don't know, not that he's using steroids, but like, you think they're spending, Michael Jordan isn't leaving hate comments on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Like, successful people, if you're happy and content with yourself, you're not leaving hate comments or making hate videos on the internet. I'm just putting that out there. So with that being said, that's basically my thoughts on the, yeah, any updates from me. I hurt my foot still. It's still bad. I know it was like 2 weeks ago. It's all wrapped up now. I think it's getting better, but I did hit it pretty hard, which is a whole nother story. And then I was just gone for Christmas, so I'm gonna be back on the channel. I do plan on 2020. I do have some big goals that I really do want to achieve. I want to start my rideshare driver course for you guys. I also want to start my YouTube channel course because a lot of people have been requesting that. And then I also want to just grow my channel, make better videos, get more guests on. I'm also wanting, like, I'm starting acting again. I have been in some things which, you know, I'm sure you guys can find, but yeah, I want to be, we're thinking about making a TV series, or like a pilot. Maybe you guys don't really know what that means, but basically you make a show, like an episode, a single episode of a show, and we're thinking about doing it for Uber drivers. Like, we are, it's gonna be me, Greg Wave, maybe Jacob if he's down, and then my other buddy, which he would be absolutely perfect for, which I really want to get him on board. But basically we're gonna be like 4 Uber drivers who are trying to make it in acting in Hollywood, which I think would just be absolutely, well, I don't want to say too much, but you know, I'm a writer. I think Greg's a writer. We're all writers. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys are the best, really. I really do thank you guys so much for everything that I have. This 2019 has been an absolutely amazing year for me. Like, I would have never expected all of this success to come, and I have you guys to thank. You guys are seriously amazing, and I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let me know anything I can ever do for you guys, seriously. My email's at the bottom of the description. Literally anything you have, nothing is too much to ask for. I'm here for you guys. I owe it to you guys, so if I can help you guys out in any single way at all. I know tax season is coming up. Sorry, I'm not an accountant. I can't help you with tax advice. But yeah, everything else I'm pretty down to help you guys out with if you have any questions or need anything at all. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will talk to you all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.